Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and today's video is going to be a very exciting one and interesting one. Well, because I'm going to cover a trending topic which has been going on, and as I browsed through the YouTube and I found no exact videos which match those topics. So today I'm going to give you guys 5 best alternatives to the Text Plus application over here. Well, the reason why you may consider the text plus alternatives may be because of errors like this, or it may be your own choice and opinion. Well, I'm not here to say it, but if you are here for the text plus best 5 alternatives, then you are here in the right place. I already have a separate playlist which actually gives us the text now communication alternatives, and one of the best text now alternatives was text plus at the time. So guys, if you have not yet watched this video, then please go take a look at this video. This video's link is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I would have pinned a comment which would consider links to these videos, not only this but a lot of other various videos which will be definitely helpful to you. So before quitting this video, please go take a look at the description or the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And more importantly, now I have a join feature enabled in my channel. Please go take a look at the join button. I guarantee you that there's going to be a lot of important and interesting stuff waiting for you, or important perks waiting for you if you just join my channel. Guys, I know this error is actually frustrating, but actually this error is actually solvable. So if you are looking for the text plus alternatives, just because this error is not solvable and this error is not actually solvable by you, then please try once again to solve the error. As you can see my screen, I actually have a text plus number over here. I solved the error and I was able to obtain a text plus number. So if you also want to obtain a text plus number, then please go take a look at this video. This video actually covers a lot of important stuffs on the solving the text plus error. Why am I this forcefully preferring the text plus applications? Because overall, out of all the applications which I have tried out, text plus gives out the best features for to make any social media accounts. As you know, other best text plus alternatives such as the text now application does not allow you to make social media accounts for free. They actually charge you to receive OTPs. So without receiving OTPs, you won't be able to make social media accounts like this. So for either WhatsApp or anything else, you won't be able to make social media accounts as easily as the Textplus application. Now I'm going to show you guys all the 5 best Textplus alternatives. I'm going to go from the worst to the best. So watch this video until the end if you want to get at everything, and do not skip any part of this video. Now the first alternative to the Text Plus application is going to be an application known as Dingtone. They actually provide you unlimited free calls with exclusive numbers, and they also give you cheap to call any number or landline without cell plans needed. And they actually don't charge you roaming charges too. They actually give you a second local phone number. Local phone number defines that you either get a US or Canada number. They offer you free text messaging. This app is actually available in the Google Play Store even outside the US or Canada. This is actually the user interface. The user interface is pretty good, so you may want to try it out. But actually the reason why this comes as the worst alternative, I mean not the worst, but among the 5 comes in the 5th position, is because this application is actually paid. Yeah, you heard me right. Unlike the Text Plus application, which is entirely free for use, I mean you can entirely use the application for free just by watching ads. This application requires you to compulsory pay for the application. Well, ads may be annoying. This application has no ads if you just pay. But overall, if I'm going to choose between Text Plus and this, I'm obviously going to choose the Text Plus application. But however, as an alternative, you may consider this. Now the second alternative to the Text Plus application is going to be an application known as TextMe. Well, this is the application. It's still loading. The features of this application is the same They're going to give you low cost international calling and texting rates to any number. There are group chat, voicemails, NPICs, and more. Again, the TextMe application is available in the Google Play Store. These are the features, and this is the user interface. Well, this application also has a very good user interface. It has very good features, but once again, this application is the same as the ringtone application. Well, it's actually cheaper than the ringtone application, but again, even though the call quality is better than Textplus application, and they give you guarantee you social media accounts creation with their phone numbers, still this application is a paid application. So if you're ready to pay, like as you can see over here, they charge you 3 credits per text for international, and if you are inside you have to pay free. But the thing is that in order to obtain a local phone number, you would have to pay in this application. So if you're ready to pay, and if you don't want to go through any sign up hassle or any problems, then the best alternative to the Textplus application is going to be this application, that is TextMe. Now the third application, which is actually ranked third, is an application known as Second Line. Well, this application is a secondary application from the Textno application. It actually has pretty good features. You get a free local phone number, you get free unlimited texting and calling, you get low cost international calls, group mail, business messaging. Okay, but the reason why it's ranking as third is that its user interface sucks. It has a lot of problems. Like this, it has actually 4 problems. Those are actually solvable, but it takes a lot of hard work once again. And the main reason is that you won't be able to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp or Telegram using the phone number which you obtain from them. I mean, you will be able to make an account, but only if you just pay. If you're not going to pay, they're just going to block all the OTP services and you will not be able to make social media accounts. Guys, one more important thing, there is a bonus at the end of this video, so keep watching. Now, the fourth application is going to be an application known as Talkatone. This application is a far better application compared to the Second Line application, as even though this application is just the same like the Second Line application, you won't be able to find it in the Google Play Store page. It could be downloaded using a few methods, and they actually give you very good features. Just take a look at these features, and this application's user interface is also pretty good. They give you a free local phone number. By once again, you get a US or Canada phone number. You get free texting. Then you can just read it out. Talkatone also has some problems. Just remember, if you are using a free application, then obviously there is going to be a lot of problems because of a certain update for 2023. Well, if you want to learn about the Textplus update, then this video's link is also going to be available in the description and first comment. Please go take a look at it if you want to learn the reason why it's happening. The update is actually same for the most of the free applications, which gives you free virtual phone numbers. Now, the first and the best alternative to the Textplus application is obviously going to be Textno. Well, it's expected, right? Textno has a very good user interface. It doesn't bombard you with ads like the Textplus application will. It also has ads, but still it has pretty less ads compared to the Textplus application. It is one of the market leaders with over 50 million plus downloads. And yes, it also has problems. It has 4 problems: the sign up error, the account disabled error, the error which occurs when you are choosing the country code error, area code error, and the application not being available on the Google Play Store error for the people who are located outside the US and Canada. But once again, all of these errors are solvable, but solving the errors in the Textno application takes a lot of hard work. A lot. But the reason why it's standing on the first place is because this application is a very good application. It gives you lot of features. See, take a look at the features over here. Take a look at the user interface. It's very classy, right? I've been using the Textno application from a long back. See, it has 15 million plus downloads, and even it has 4.3 star rating. Well, great, right? So guys, these are the 5 best alternatives to the Textplus application But once again, remember, even if you're using the Textno application, you won't be able to use social media accounts, but you will be able to make unlimited calls and texting, which is impossible in the Textplus application by using the Textno application. So that's the reason why it's ranked as the first application. Now, the bonus which I was telling, right, that is actually a hidden application known as Textplus, which is the secondary application of the Textplus application. And actually, this application is available in the Google Play Store. It has the same user interface as the Textplus application. It has the same user database. I'm using the same accounts, as you can see, but the only difference is that this is a Textplus application. I mean, this application actually differs from Textplus application, and there are actually less errors. So this is the bonus which I was telling about. So guys, consider if the Textplus application is not working for you, then consider using the Textplus application, and then try. And then if it's not working too, then try the rest of the applications. But if you are focusing on unlimited calls within the US and Canada, that is, if you are focusing on cold calling, then the best alternative is going to be the Textno application. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on thumbs up button located below this video. And like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And don't forget to take a look at the join button. I mean, my membership page. There are a lot of important perks. Like, I personally help you guys solve the errors, and I personally recommend you guys applications and softwares with which you will be able to solve the problems. And for each and every problems, like for cold calling, I recommend you the best cold calling application, and I also help you fix all the problems. And I would even get your phone number. Yeah, well, that's my work. So please go take a look at the join section. And guys, that's it for today's video. Once again, thanks for watching this video until then. It's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.